This video clip is instructions on how to do credit card payments. First of all, you would go to your email. Let's say you see a customer here. You have to make sure they have one piece of ID, a handwritten letter, the picture of the credit card in the front, picture of the back. The back must be signed. If it is not signed, email the customer back saying it must be signed to be valid. Once you see all this information, we want you to handwrite the credit card number when you download it. Handwrite the full credit card number with the expiring date, and on the back of the card, the CVS. Make sure you see what the customer wants charged. So you have the amount here plus taxes, whatever it is you would add. Then you have to make sure you add on top of the total the proper credit card amount that we charge. Also, the credit card name must match the actual person or on the account, or the person signing it. If it is a prepaid credit card, that is a purchase credit card, so the name does not apply on a prepaid credit card, but you still have to have the copy of the ID, front and back of the credit card, and a signed letter. So here's a signed letter from the customer authorizing us to charge their credit card. Once you have the customer's name, you go find them in QuickBooks, search. First thing you want to do, again, check if it's zero. If it's additional or under, add that to it. Go to the actual notes now. What you're going to do is you have to go to the notes and make sure you add the note. And in the note, you are going to date stamp it, okay? And then you're going to put all the information in. So you will see customer emailed to change plan and charge credit card. So those are the instructions. So we charged the credit card, got an authorization, and then copy the email and put it in the bottom of the notes as well, so we always have proof. Once that is done, you save that. Once you have that credit card number and you want to charge it, you're going to go all the way down to your TD. If it's not open, all you have to do is shrink this and you will see it on the main here, TD icon merchant service. You click on that, you hit yes, it opens it up. On this portion, remember, if it's red, for example here, okay, we are not going to charge anything because that's given a credit back. You want to make sure it's on purchase. Always important to type in the 0.00. So if it's $20, 20.00. When you click out, it's going to show you 20. If you were just to do 20 and you point out, that's 20 cents. Okay, so make sure 2.00. Add the credit card number in here. Add the expiring date right there, the CVS, process, it gives you the authorization. Once it gives you the authorization, that means it's been approved. You would put the authorization in the notes, you hit OK, and then you go into the actual customer's account to start adding. So now you're in the customer account, you want to do this. Put whatever they did, which here we did a plain change, but if whatever charge it is. So we did this, and then we loaded that much there. The credit card fee on this total, $3. So we did $3 charge and charge the exact amount the person wanted. Once you do that, you save and close and right click, receive the full payment. Once that is done, you have one last step. You must go to your folder, which is the Staff India folder. You go into your Staff India training folder, click on it. You are going to find a folder called After Hour Credit Card Charges. Very important to click on there. Here you press OK. You must document. Customer name goes here, the amount that was charged, authorization, the date, and your initial. Once that is done, this you must press save to save your work, and then you close out of it. Once you close out, that's it. So you'll access this through your training and you keep track of all your records, and then you just go back to your screens, open up that, go back to QuickBooks. You take this email, you go on top, you right click, okay, and once you right click, you want to move this to what we call credit card authorization form. This is so we keep it as proof for future in case a customer actually disputes the charge. So remember, step number one, you must make sure that all the credit card information is there. Then you go into the invoice and do as they instruct and make sure the credit card matches. Thank you, and this is for the credit card authorization.